Hi, and welcome to Akira AI's autonomous multi-channel marketing solution. So, marketing across multiple channels often feel like juggling too many tasks: emails, social media posts, CRM updates, so all requiring precise coordination. What if there was a way to streamline it all? So that's where our autonomous AI solution for multi-channel marketing steps in. This AI driven system handles everything from CRM integration to content creation, making your marketing efforts smarter and more efficient. Whether you are using HubSpot, running social media campaign, or managing email outreach, our solution centralizes everything into one seamless process. With the team of AI agents managing the coordination and execution of campaigns, you can focus on growing your business, knowing your marketing is running smoothly in the background. Now, let's explore the challenges organizations face in today's multi channel marketing landscape. So, one of the biggest hurdle businesses face in modern marketing is managing tasks across various platforms. With multiple touch points like email, social media, and search engines, it's difficult to maintain a consistent brand message while ensuring each channel operates smoothly. The complexity increases when you need to integrate customer data, segment audience for personalized outreach, create tailored content, and track campaign performance. So, without automation, marketers often experience delays, errors, and missed opportunities due to the manual nature of these tasks. So, inconsistent messaging and disjoint efforts weakens the impact of campaign, lowering engagement and conversion rates. The absence of real-time performance monitoring compounds the challenge, leaving businesses guessing instead of making data-driven decisions, ultimately wasting resources. So, our AI driven multi agent system provides an automated, scalable solution to these problems. At the core is the master orchestrator agent, overseeing all other agents. The data integration agent pulls customer data from CRM systems like HubSpot, ensuring your campaign are powered by the latest insights. The audience segmentation agent analyzes this data, creating targeted customer groups for personalized campaigns. Next, the content creation agent customizes messages for each channel, be it an email, social media, or search engine ads. So, further, the campaign management agent handles scheduling and monitoring campaigns across multiple platforms, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Most important, we have integrated a human review loop, allowing you to review content at key points for approval, ensuring brand alignment without slowing down the process. Finally, the analytics and reporting agent tracks performance in real time, offering insights that help refine and improve future campaigns. Now, let's dive into the measurable benefits of this solution. First, it cuts down the time spent on marketing tasks by up to 70%, allowing your team to focus on strategy rather than manual processes. So, engagement rates improve by 60% through precise targeting and automated content creation. The analytics and reporting agent ensures you are working with real time data, helping you make informed decisions instantly. Additionally, this solution boosts conversion rates by up to 50% by optimizing your messages across email, social media, and search engines. So, while agentic AI runs the operations, the human review loop ensures you maintain control over key decisions without being bogged down by daily tasks. So, this system enhanced efficiency, improves campaign effectiveness, and drives more impactful results. Now, let's explore a live demo to see how this all works in action.
Welcome to the autonomous multi-channel marketing platform. The demo starts with the user logging into the Akira AI platform. After logging in, they search for multi-channel marketing, and the platform provides a recommended workflow tailored to their marketing needs. The user customizes the agentic workflow by selecting their preferred marketing tools, including social media platforms, CRM systems, and email marketing services. Once the tools are chosen, the user confirms their integration, ensuring the workflow meets their specific campaign requirements. The selected tools are integrated into the Akira AI multi-agent system, powered by the Master Orchestrator Agent Force. The user can add additional social media platforms or marketing channels. The autonomous agents then begin lead generation and campaign outreach across multiple channels. With the workflow set, the user deploys their multi-channel marketing strategy. Once deployed, the workflow becomes visible in the project dashboard, where users can monitor all actions performed by the agents, from lead generation to campaign execution and engagement tracking. The user accesses detailed campaign insights through the dashboard. Metrics such as predicted outreach goals versus actual achievements, along with campaign-specific data, names, statuses, start dates, and engagement rates, are displayed, offering clear visibility into campaign performance. The Performance Overview dashboard provides key metrics like customer interactions, traffic, conversion rates. Users can also view a performance review, helping them analyze campaign inbound leads, conversion versus spend, to adjust strategies for future success. With the autonomous multi-channel marketing platform, your campaigns are always optimized, always efficient, and always one step ahead. This concludes our demo. To transform your business with the power of Akira AI's multi-agent systems, visit our website and discover how, with agentic AI, you can unlock new possibilities for your enterprise.